Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to Sunya IAS. I hope you all are doing really great. And now we are moving ahead and we will try to have mountain passes on our fingertips. Still now in the Indian mapping series, we have covered the Indian rivers. We have already covered the mountain ranges of India. Now we will have these passes also on our fingertips in order to cover Indian mapping series. Right. So passes, what you have to keep in mind that passes is connecting two places, right? Where is that pass? Basically, we will find it in mountain areas only. Like this, if it is mountain, it is one pass, right? So what you are seeing in this image, all these passes, no need to see right now. All these passes we will try to do. We'll try to have the hold of every pass that where it is. Exactly. You don't have to ratify. I'll tell you in that way that you will remember it forever. Also, you don't have to put much efforts. Only this class is sufficient for passes, guys. In this particular map, guys, first of all, we are going to see the Jammu and Kashmir passes. Then we are going to see the Himachal passes, then Uttarakhand pass, then Sikkim pass, then Arunachal passes. Right, in these states, we are going to cover all the passes. Okay, one by one, we are going to see. I want you to see this map of Jammu and Kashmir to understand the passes of Jammu and Kashmir. It's very important, right? Over here, I want you to mark certain places. Srinagar, Jammu, Kargil, Leh, and over here for you will find Gilgit. Let us mark on our map. See over here, guys. This is your Jammu. This is your Srinagar. Okay. This is your Leh. This is your Kargil. This is your Gilgit. Understanding these are the places. Gilgit, Kargil, Leh, Srinagar, Jammu. Again, see over here that, okay, suppose I am living in Srinagar. You try to understand. I am living in Srinagar. And these are the places Jammu, Leh, Kargil, and Gilgit I have to visit. Right. Why I'm telling you this? Because passes connected the places. Passes are connecting the places. Either two places of the same country, of the same state, or between two countries like Tibet and India, like China and India, Pakistan and India, Afghanistan and India, like that. Right. We will be seeing it. So first of all, if I have to go from Srinagar, I have to visit Jammu, then I'll come across one pass, guys, over here. One pass I'll come across, and that pass is your Banihal pass. And on this Banihal pass, you have to go through one tunnel, and that is known as Jawahar Tunnel. All right, guys. First, Banihal. Then I have to go from Srinagar to Kargil to Leh. I have to go. So I have to go from Kargil area. Over here, you will find between Srinagar and Leh, or Srinagar or Kargil, you can say anything that is connecting. This basically is connecting your, just wait. This pass is your basically Zojila pass. Now from Kargil, if I have to go to Gilgit, I have to go through the third pass, that is Kargil to Gilgit. From Srinagar, I have to travel to Leh. I have to go through Zojila. From Srinagar, I have to go to Kargil. I have to go through Zojila. Then I have to go from Srinagar. I have to go to Gilgit. Then I'll go from Kargil to Gilgit. That is connected is Gurzila Pass. And if from Leh, I have to go to this Nubra Valley. Over here, Nubra Valley is present, guys. Nubra River is flowing, so Nubra Valley is present over here. So if I have to go from Leh to Nubra Valley, then I have to go through Khardungla Pass. Khardungla Pass. See in this map now. Srinagar to Jammu over here, you will automatically say, sir, this is your, let me change the pen. You will say this is your basically Jawahar or Banihal Pass. Banihal Pass and tunnel is Jawahar. Over here, Jawahar tunnel is present. If I'll say, okay, now Srinagar to you have to go to Leh, you will say automatically, sir, this is nothing but your Zojila. From Kargil to Gilgit, nothing but you will say Gurzila. From Leh to Nubra Valley, you will say Khardungla. 4 passes you have seen over here. Write it down like this. Jammu and Kashmir, heading Jammu and Kashmir, passes 1. Banihal, Abhi, you try to understand from this video. Later, any notes you are having, same passes you will see everywhere. 2 or 3 more or less you will find, but same passes you are going to see. Zozila, Burzila. यहाँ पर you write connecting what to what, right? So connecting which of the places? 4 is your Khardungla. 5th, now you have to see the 5th one, guys, over here. Let me show you. 5th is over here, guys, Karakoram range. You will find that this place is basically Karakoram Pass, and this pass is basically connecting two countries, that is India and China. Over here also you will find one pass, that is Aghil Pass. Aghil. That is also connecting India and China. One pass you will find in the tri-junction of Afghanistan, China and India. Over here, Mintaka Pass. Mintaka Pass, guys. Over here you have added 2 more. Karakoram Pass, Aghil Pass and Mintaka Pass. 3 on the borders connecting international. These are inner city, inner passes. Right. So how many passes you have done? 1, 2, 3, 4. Add this Karakoram Pass, add Aghil Pass, add Mintaka Pass. 7. Total 7 passes you have seen of Jammu and Kashmir. See over here on this particular map. Mintaka Pass you are seeing. Aghil Pass you have done. Okay, this pass is Karakoram Pass. Forget this name. Okay, now this is your which pass? Burzila Pass. From Srinagar to basically Burzila is for your Giljit. See this particular pass, Banihal Pass for Jammu. Jammu is present over here, Srinagar. So Banihal Pass was also done. From you are going to Kargil, Kargil to Leh, you are Jojila. Kargil to Leh. If you will move downward of Kargil, you will find Pensila. See guys, one more pass over here. If you will move Kargil, downside Kargil, and you want to go to this place, you will find one pass over here, that is Pensila. Pensila, right? Only remember these passes, guys. Pensila, Jojila, Banihal, Mintaka, and this particular Khardungla Pass. Okay. Aghil Pass, Karakoram. Again, see this pass over here, this pass over here, this pass, this pass, this pass. This is your Banihal, Jojila, Burzila, Pensila. This is your Khardungla, Karakoram, Aghil, Mintaka. Try to write down on your note first. Yeah, this is passes of Jammu and Kashmir. Try to draw one more time, twice, thrice until you are getting it all correct. Right now we'll move on to the other state, that is Himachal Pradesh, guys. In Himachal Pradesh, we have to study 3 passes, guys. Over here you will see 3 passes. Let me zoom out the Himachal state. See over here. Can you see this pass over here? This Himachal state, right? One place is Manali. You have to go to Leh, very like famous track for the travelers, for the bike riders. Like Manali to Leh, if you have to go through, then you have to go through 2 passes basically. First pass you will get over here only, that is Rohtang Pass. Another pass you will get over here is Baralachla Pass. What happens is we don't even remember these passes, and we try to study more information about them. No, guys. First of all, try to have the hold of all the passes, that you know exactly where are all these passes situated. Then try to learn as per current affairs. If you are reading in news, if you are reading from any book, then try to understand more about it. Right? This should be the method. You go deep into certain places. Right? And third pass which you have to see in Himachal Pradesh, over here you can see Shipkala, Baralachla and Rohtang Pass. 3 passes are very important. So over here you will find Rohtang, Baralachla and Shipkila Pass. Shipkila is connecting Tibet to India. Over here you will find that Manali to Leh, you have to go through these particular passes. Also, I have told you in the river section the importance of Rohtang Pass. Certain rivers emerge from this pass, right? Add those information also. So over here you will find Baralachla. Baralachla is shown more leftward in this particular place, but Baralachla is over here. Here, Rohtang Pass, Shipkila. Forget about this Depsa Pass. Only the passes I am telling you, remember those. Now see this Uttarakhand state over here. I want you to remember three passes from here also. One pass starting from these passes basically connecting with Tibet only. So first pass, let me show you in another map. This is the Uttarakhand map, guys. Over here you will find Mana Pass, or not exactly over here, but somewhere around here you will find Mana Pass. Then you will find Niti Pass. Then you will find Lipu Lake Pass, and Lipu Lake Pass have been in news too. Lipu Lake Pass. Three passes from Uttarakhand. Let me show you in another map. Over here you can see Mana over here. See this Mana map. Okay. This Niti and this particular pass, Lipu Lake, which is at the border of tri-junction of Tibet, basically China, Nepal and India. So Lipu Lake Pass over here you will get. Mana Pass. One more pass you can remember is this Molling Pass, Mollingla. Okay, Mollingla is over here. Mollingla. Mana Pass, you can try to understand that over here in between certain places here, but it is present. Mana, Niti and Lipu. Four passes. This is Mollingla. Very important, guys. Mollingla also, I basically skipped it, but you have to learn Mollingla. So for the Uttarakhand, we have Mollingla, Niti, Mana, Niti and Lipu Lake. For Himachal Pradesh, you have Rohtang, Paralachla, Shipkila. And from Jammu and Kashmir, Banihal, Jojila, Burjila, Khardungla, Karakoram, Akhil, and over here Mintaka. Right? Now you come to this particular Sikkim, guys. Sikkim, you have two passes. Jelepla, see this pass, Jelepla and Nathula. From Jelepla, you try to go to this Bhutan country, guys. Okay? And from Nathula, you try to go. Nathula Pass is famous for Amarkantak Yatra or this particular Kailash Parvat Yatra. This from Mana also you try to go over here, right? So Nathula and Jelepla are from Sikkim. Over here, Jelepla, Nathula, Jelepla, Nathula. This is your Mollingla, Mana, Niti, and Lipu Lake, Rohtang, Paralachala, and your this Shipkila. Rest of the Jammu, you know. Now we will go to Arunachal, and Arunachal also will try to see. Arunachal passes see over here, guys. First part, Yongyap Pass over here. Can you see Yongyap Pass? Yes. Another pass is Bumdila. Bumdila Pass. One more pass near Bumdila, you will see Sela Pass. Sela Pass. It is not written over here. You write it down. Sela Pass. Over here. Sela, Bumdila. This is Yongyap. This is your Dipper Pass. Four passes from Arunachal you have. In Maharashtra region over here also you will find two passes. One is above one is Thalghat. Lower one is Bhurghat. Thalghat is basically connecting Mumbai to Nasik or Nasik to Mumbai. Whereas if you have to go from Mumbai to Pune, you have to go from Bhurghat. So Thalghat, Thalghat, Bhurghat, Bhorghat. In Kerala, we have one pass. Kerala to Tamil Nadu, one pass is connecting. That is Palakkad Gap, also known as Palghat. Palghat. Also in Kerala, you will find a Senkotta Gap, Senkotta Pass or Gap. These are word association is necessary that Palghat is where to where, Thalghat where to where means in which state it is connecting, Thalghat, Bhurghat. Over here, I have told you the Jammu and Kashmir, very important passes these are. And make out a list, guys. Like I have told you, J&K passes and their connecting links. Okay. And now this information you will find in any notes, anything you are preferring. If you are just prefer NCRT to, you will find over these words only, these passes only. Right. Let us recap once again. Palghat, Senkotta, Thalghat, Bhurghat. Over here, I will mark Banihal. This is your Jojila, Burzila, Pensila, and your Khardungla, Karakoram, Akhil, Mintaka. Three in particular Himachal Pradesh, basically Rohtang, Baralachla, and your Shipkila. I have told you in Uttarakhand, Mollingla, and your Mana, Niti, and Lipu Lake. This Nathula, Jalepla. Nathu is different, Niti is different. Okay, Jalepla. Over here you will find Umdila, Stila, Yongyap, and one more over here I have told you. These are the passes which you have seen of important passes of India, guys. Right? Try to revise it once. And what more videos you want, try to comment also. Right? Take care.